When working with AutoCAD and any other flavour of AutoCAD, in this case AutoCAD Electrical, you need to be aware of your DWG file types. AutoCAD saves as a native DWG file, in the same way that Word saves as a DOC or a DOCX file. So you need to be careful which version of the DWG file you are saving and ultimately may be sending to your client, to your contractor, and so on. You need to be careful of this because different versions of AutoCAD use different DWG file types. In the version of AutoCAD that we're using, if I do a save as, you'll see that we're using a 2013 DWG file type. So I'll go up to save as, and you'll see down here, files of type, there's my AutoCAD 2013 drawing DWG file type. I can save to lots of different DWG file types, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this dialog up the screen. You'll see why in a moment, because when I click on files of type here, you can see that there's lots of different file types. I can save all the way back to AutoCAD Release 14 if I want to. Now what you'll find most of the time, the only distance you'll have to go back is to there, to 2010, maybe 2007. It depends on what version of the software your client, your contractor is using. To be on the safe side though, what I tend to do is set my DWG file type to the previous type each time I work. So in this case, instead of saving to 2013, what I might do is tell AutoCAD Electrical by default to always save to 2010. So how do you do that? Well, let's get out of this dialog box and cancel this first of all. What we need to do is just put our crosshair in the center of the screen, right click on the mouse and go to the Options setting here on the shortcut menu. When you click on Options, you get a rather large dialog box appear. Don't worry, don't be intimidated by it. It's just all of your AutoCAD settings. If we go to the Open and Save tab, there's the File Save option on the left. Change that to 2010, like so. Click on Apply, click on OK, and now every time I do a Save As, so I click on Save As again now, you'll see it's a 2010 instead. What that means is you're saving back to the previous DWG file type. That's important because someone might have a version of the software that cannot read the 2013 DWG file type. It might be an older version. The good thing about 2013, for example, is it will read all the older ones below it. But if you go the other way, older versions of AutoCAD can't read newer DWG file types. So get into that habit of maybe setting it back one step. So I've gone back to the 2010 file type, even though my default is a 2013 DWG file type.